Okay, here's an ICOM IC-720A. This is a neat little rig. It's kind of unique. It has a great receiver.
While they're sitting there licking off the peanut butter, trim their nails.
There's a great receiver once you put a jumper from the receive antenna into the receive antenna out. Before I did that, I thought the receiver was dead. It's not. It's actually got a hot little receiver in it. What kind of makes it unique is it has this rotary relay. I think we'd call it a rotary relay. So when you change bands, it's kind of interesting. Let me show you. And listen to the sound. That's totally normal. It's not a rig you'd want to play with late at night with someone sleeping in the room, but it works great. It's got a great receiver, and it goes back to a preset frequency for every band when you change bands. But it's got a good receiver in it. It puts out full power, 100 watts, and works fine. I'll do a quick comparison. I'm going to compare the receiver in this 720A to the receiver in my TS-180S. This is on the same antenna. So let me turn this up a little bit. Before I do it, I don't have any filtering on in either rigs. All I have adjusted is the RF gain. I've turned down slightly on both rigs to kind of get rid of some of the extra noise. And so let's compare these.
We probably give them something to knock them out.
These are some nice strong stations too. I'll wait until the next guy comes on and I'll switch over.
No, I said I told them. About under pause, but you got to normally huskies you don't have to well, if you don't trim their paws or their claws, not their paws, their claws, they'll dig.
And I'll go back to the other rig.
But if you keep the nail trim, they won't dig. So that's a good thing. Yeah, believe me, I learned that the hard way.
Still a good old rig. I don't know. Just testing it out for a family of a silent key. And testing a bunch of rigs out, so you'll probably see several videos of me doing some comparisons and just playing around with them. But I don't know. It's it's not a competition quality rig, but not every rig needs to be. And this one works great. Maybe be one to keep.